In this video, I will show graphic window handling in SprutCAM. So the basics are very simple. With left mouse click, I can choose objects on the screen. With right mouse click and drag, I can rotate my view vector. With mouse wheel, I can zoom in and zoom out. And with mouse wheel click and hold, I can pan. Okay, this is the basics. But also we have some features which will make your SprutCAM experience even more convenient and comfortable. First of all, we have fit screen function. So if I want to observe just everything I have in my project, I just can click this button and everything that I have in the project will fit the screen, like this. Okay, next, if I want to rotate my view, but I want to fix some axis. For example, I want to rotate this view and fix that axis. I just hold ZK on the keyboard and rotate as usual. Here's the rotation with fixed Z axis. The same works for X axis and for Y axis, like this. Another useful feature is standard views. We have top view, front view, right view, bottom view, front isometry, and several more isometry views. Okay, so what is useful also about this is that I can, for example, if I want to look at my project from the front, strictly from the front, I cannot put it so strictly with my mouse, but I can adjust my view vector approximately and then just click mouse wheel, and the view automatically aligns to the nearest standard view, like this. As you can see, I'm just clicking my mouse wheel now. That's it. So next, in SprutCAM you can also arrange several views on one screen. Here is the menu on top right. I can create new, for example, let's create a couple of new views, like this. And here I want to create another one. That's it. So here I want, for example, front. And here I want, for example, left. So now I can observe my simulation process from different points of views simultaneously. Like this. Okay, so I will close these views. That's it. Next, here on the top right, we have view mode, which is shade, shade plus wire, or wire. By default, it is shade plus wire, and it is better to use default settings. But if you want, you can choose which you like. So, and ambient occlusion option, it is just shadows. As you can see, it adds shadows on the screen. So if your frame rate in SprutCAM is not very good, you can turn it off and the graphic window will work more smoothly. Okay, next, we also have a right button menu. Here we can see the left mouse click mode. By default, it is select objects mode. For example, like this, I can select objects with left mouse click. But I can change it. For example, I can rotate view with my left mouse click, or I can pan with my left mouse click, or I can scale with my left mouse click, and so on. So by default, I will select object mode, and it is the most comfortable mode for comfortable work in SprutCAM. Okay, that's it. So one more thing we have left, and I will open some turning project in SprutCAM for this. Okay, this is it. As you can see, the part is now two-dimensional, so it is optional. I can change 3D view, 3/4, 1/2, and 2D view like this. Also toggles by just clicking this button. So it is very useful when I have some inside machining, like here. It's very useful when I want to observe it from the inside. I cannot see it from the other outside, but I can see it like this. So this is basically it. This is about graphic window handling in SprutCAM.